So I made a flower while welding. I made it with a end of a fork or a spoon and then a bunch of little things.
We is at the Bodgery Makerspace. It's fun here. You can do a lot. Y'all got a lot of activities. We can make a lot of stuff that we ain't never made before, like out of hand.
But yeah, y'all, I made this made by me.
Innovative High is really focused on hands-on and experiential learning opportunities for all of our students. So we partnered with the Bodgery. This is our first year.
I'm working on ceramics, so I've been working on a little mug. I feel pretty accomplished.
For a lot of our high schoolers, it's important for them to see how what they're learning now applies to what they're going to be doing after high school. So it may not be that everybody here is a welder, but they may pick up some skills on welding that they can use as they're heading into their career in the auto mechanics field.
But it's really cool to like make something by hand, especially with metal. Like I never thought I could do that. That's really cool.
Student voice is the center of everything we do here, so we want to make sure that there's student input into the crafts and the different areas of trades that we're exploring so that the projects are relevant.
He said, I found like a picture or something we want to do. And we could put words stuff, and it just came to my mind. Put my city there, my people on it. I had used the laser cutter, and like it's cutting words and stuff into the wood that I like to. What made it special, it was like the back of my city. I'm from Chicago, Illinois.
This is geometry, this is algebra, this is science, this is all of the things in motion.
You did great.
This is a good opportunity for our students because they can come here from the community as well. And 2 of our students have already expressed an interest in, hey, this is something I could do in my free time. They're developing new interests that they weren't aware of before, so it's exciting.
It's fun. It's just literally a place where you can do what you want with your creative mind, and I really like that.